real cost of owning a Tesla. Welcome to Tech Bang. This is a safe space where you can easily learn about what's going on in the ever-growing world of technology. In today's video, we will explore the real cost of owning a Tesla car that goes beyond its entry-level price, especially when compared to its engine-powered competitor. So, let's get straight to the video. The name Tesla brings to the mind of most people an overpriced luxury vehicle that all cost at least six-figure numbers. While this is true for some of the fully outfitted models of Tesla, like the maxed-out Model S or the Model X, however, this is not always the case. One objective of Tesla is to make electrical vehicles less expensive, and they have gradually been completing this goal, especially since it has gotten a lot cheaper to make the batteries required for an electric vehicle. That said, some Teslas are less expensive than their Model X and Model S counterparts, like the Model 3 and the Model Y. In today's video, we will go beyond the initial price of buying a Tesla and look at the cost of owning a Tesla, especially when compared to owning a more conventional combustion engine car. For this purpose, we will refer to the Model 3 Tesla, which is the cheapest of all Tesla vehicles. In the United States, the estimated cost of buying a brand new car is about $40,000, and the most affordable Tesla comes in slightly cheaper than that. Traditionally, an electric car is more expensive than a gas-powered car, which has led to a reluctance to purchase electric vehicles. Even if electric vehicles have a lower cost of ownership, several factors ensure that electric cars have a lower cost of ownership, like the fact that the lack of traditional engines and the presence of fewer moving parts in electric vehicles significantly reduces the cost of maintenance because it has no engine to maintain and more often than not, repair. Another reason electric cars have a lower ownership cost is the battery-powered vehicles manage energy more efficiently than gas-powered engines, leading to a lower cost per mile. And also, an additional reason is that electricity is cheaper than gas. Furthermore, electric vehicles currently enjoy the advantages of tax incentives and rebates.
A fundamental piece of that plan is getting people to buy electric vehicles and other so-called zero-emission vehicles
that are offered in certain locations and for certain vehicles. In this video, we shall look at the amount of money you would need to spend on the Tesla Model 3 in the next couple of years. A lot of these are one-time costs and some are recurring. An entry-level Model 3 car would cost about $39,900. while a long-range Tesla with top-of-the-line features come in for no less than $56,990, which could be cheaper if you wish to forego the premium interior for something less. The sales tax on a Tesla Model 3 could add another $3,500 to the electric vehicle. However, the car is eligible for a $7,500 tax credit, which could take the vehicle to around $51,000 or less, as the case may be. Also, buying a Tesla requires a home outlet to charge the Model 3 at a range of 30 miles an hour. A full installation of this charging outlet would cost at least $1,300, but if you're lucky, you could get some tax credit off it, which would lower the cost significantly. If you've gotten this far, you would still need to cover some expenses that could come with buying an electric vehicle, especially when it comes to acquiring some accessories to maximize the potential of the Tesla car. These might include small things like floor mats, console wraps, and screen guards, as well as the right cleaning tools, all of which could cost less than $300. Another big feature that you might want to get in the Tesla Model 3 is the full self-driving capability, which can reach up to $10,000. This is by no means a necessary feature of the Tesla, and you can make do with the pre-installed autopilot function instead of paying a steep $10,000 for the full self-driving kit. It may be more feasible for people to obtain this feature if Tesla releases the rumored Tesla full self-driving subscription, which will allow for installment payments, as opposed to paying the hefty one-time fee of $10,000. The next cost an owner of a Tesla Model 3 has to face is insurance and annual registration. Full insurance coverage should cost under $1,300. The annual registration would depend on the vehicle tax of your state or country. It is safe to assume that the more expensive the vehicle, the higher the tax. Some states in the United States use this system of vehicle property tax. Going by this, then the tax for the Tesla Model 3 would be just under $500 annually. Now we will talk about just how much a Tesla Model 3 owner would spend on maintenance and also the charging costs for the electric car. In 3 years, Tesla Model 3 drivers will have averaged slightly above $900 on repairs and maintenance annually, as opposed to the $1,200 one would use to fully service a gasoline-powered vehicle, on par with the Tesla Model 3 in performance. The Tesla Model 3 has a few common repair items a Tesla owner would have to acquire, which include carbon air filters, units of tires and suspension, as well as brake pads. Furthermore, because there is no danger of contamination from engine oil or any waste product that the car engine spills, the antifreeze cooling system in an electric car, similar to the ones found in a regular engine-powered car, rarely needs to be changed. Also, the car is equipped with regenerative brakes, which use resistance from the electric motor to slow down the car, so the brake pads are not used as much and consequently don't need regular changing. Typically, electric vehicles don't need a battery change on a regular basis, as the estimated battery life for an electric vehicle is 8 to 10 years, almost the same time frame within which a combustion engine would need replacing. Lastly, electric vehicles tend to have a longer warranty period than conventional gasoline-powered automobiles. This is because electric cars are more simple, and due to fewer moving parts, less maintenance is required. This ensures that manufacturers can put longer warranty periods on electric cars. As for the cost of charging, that would depend on how much you use your installed home charger and the general cost of electricity in your region. In 3 years of usage, the cost of charging at home and Tesla superchargers total for no less than $1,400, for roughly after 60,000 to 75,000 miles in the 3-year span. So after 3 years, the average Tesla owner would spend within the range of $60,000 to $66,000 on a Tesla Model 3. This includes both one-time payments and reoccurring payments. It is important to note that the price of electric cars are becoming cheaper because of the tax phasing out. Also, apart from the tax phasing out, the batteries are becoming cheaper, which in turn would lower the cost of a new Tesla. The average cost per kilowatt is estimated to be $101 per kilowatt, which would be significantly cheaper than its $137 per kilowatt price in 2020. This would also make electric vehicles as cost-effective as their combustion engine counterpart. Lastly, Tesla cars are known to hold their value well even after years and miles of use. You are almost guaranteed to get a good price off selling a well-used Tesla. So that's it for the video. What are your thoughts and experiences on the cost of owning a Tesla of any model, not just the Model 3? Let us know in the comments. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you like this content. This has been Tech Bang, and we will see you in the next video.